You click on this video because you want to learn how to access BIOS in Windows 10 laptop, and I will help you to access BIOS with some of the interesting methods. And my favorite method is the most easiest one, so keep watching this video till the end. And if you like this video, please hit the like, share, subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Method 1 is using advanced startup options. So right click on the start menu and then click on settings. In the settings, click on system and then scroll down, look for recovery, click on recovery here, scroll down, check advanced startup option here and then click on restart now. You will see this pop-up window, then click on restart now again, and then your laptop, whether it is HP, Dell or Lenovo, will restart. After your laptop restarts, you will see these options and you have to click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, and in the advanced options you will see UEFI firmware settings or BIOS firmware settings. Now I'm able to see UEFI firmware settings, so I'll click on this one here and then again it will ask for restart, then click on restart, and once this is restarted we will be able to see the BIOS settings on the laptop. You can see now I'm in the BIOS settings. If you want to change it, any settings, you can just change it and then just restart the laptop or restart the computer. Method number 2 is using shift plus restart method. You have to click on start menu and then hover over your mouse cursor on the power button, then press shift key on your keyboard and then click on the power button and then click on restart. You're back on the same screen which we use in the first method, and then again you have to click on troubleshoot, click on advanced options and then click on UEFI firmware settings, click on UEFI firmware settings and then click on restart, and you will see it will show us BIOS options or UEFI options. Next method is using BIOS key. Immediately after turning on your computer, press the designated BIOS key, which could be Dell, F2, escape key, F1 or F10. Check which BIOS key is working for your laptop or your computer, and then you can enter into BIOS setup. So for now I'm just going to restart this computer and then will press the BIOS key. For my laptop or this Windows VM, I use F2 key to enter into the BIOS setup. You can use any one of the key like Dell, F2, escape, F1, F10, whatever key is defined for your laptop or for your computer. You can use the particular key to enter into BIOS settings. The next method is open command prompt and type some of the commands and then enter into the BIOS key. So to open the command prompt, I'm just going to click on the start button or Windows button on my keyboard and then type CMD, right click on it and then click on run as administrator, click on yes for user account control permissions and then type shutdown space /r space /fw and then hit enter. This is going to shut down the laptop. It directly took us to the BIOS setting. So this is my favorite method to enter into BIOS settings. So let me know in the comment box which method you like and which is the easy one to enter into BIOS setting.